Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the single source, which account holds the master list. Once confirmed, make sure contacts are fully synced. Incomplete sync loses recent entries. Next, open the Contacts app or web portal and go straight to Export. Choose CSV for spreadsheets or vCard for cross-device import. You are taking the only way. Export the authoritative file. This creates a portable copy you control. Keep naming clear, like contacts yimmed. VCF, so you can find it later. Once the export finishes, immediately verify the file. Open it, count total contacts, and sample entries to ensure phone numbers and emails exported correctly. If you find missing fields, return to source and enable more fields or repeat the export. Then, save duplicates, one local copy and one in cloud storage so you have redundancy. Make sure to secure the file. Apply simple password protection or encryption if it contains private data. This protects you if a device is lost or shared. To complete the process, import your exported file into the target account or device using its import function. Follow prompts and map fields as needed. Once done, set a recurring backup routine or schedule so exports happen regularly, preventing future loss. If something goes wrong, for example, missing entries or duplicates, re-export from the verified master copy and inspect import mapping rules. Resolving field mismatches usually fixes it. Keep one clean archived file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.